Welcome to my channel. So today I'm reviewing a new flavor, toasted coconut from the Silos Bakery Company that's in Waco, Texas. If you're new to my channel, I do unboxing and free reviews. I normally do them in the car, but it's late and I don't feel like doing them outside, so I'm just doing them right here real quick. So let me turn on a light. This is toasted coconut. I'm not saying it smells bad, but it kind of reminds me of like artificial coconut flavor. I'm just being honest. Again, this is the Silos in Waco, Texas, and this is their newer flavor. It's very heavy. Okay, the muffin on the bottom is really good. It almost reminds me of a corn muffin. That's crazy. And the toasted coconut is inside there. That is really strange. It almost reminds me of cornbread. Like a hint taste of cornbread. Well, I did like the smell of the top. I'm not too crazy about the taste of the top. But with this, it works. The top just does not taste like natural coconut to me. I still like the lemon lavender better. It's not very sweet. This part though, the topping. It's really coconutty, but to me it's more artificial. So that's my review. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give it like a 5. Please comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what other foods you want me to try. Until next time, have a great day. Bye-bye.